Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments easy and fast. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is go to the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it like this. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. This is the app information page. Here you will find all the informations about the app. So all what you have to do is click on the force stop option and then go down to the storage and click on clear data. This is the most important option or step. You should make sure to click on clear data and then go back, click on force stop and then go down to this open by default option, click on it and click on always allow and make sure that this option is enabled. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.